Hello folks, Chad Rogers here taking you through a 2027 just starting to roll in. Bennington 26 MSB. This is a swing back, so it's MSBA with the carbon fiber arch. Beautiful luminous blue with the matte black. Very popular color combination with that luminous blue. We've sold quite a few of those. Probably see quite a few of them out on the water. Got the silver interior, gray. Of course, the lily pad ladder. Powered by your Yamaha 300. This is the ESP package, so you have the 32-inch elliptical center tune, 225-inch outer tunes. Again, just fine Bennington quality here. Swing back, you got the new keeper rail that goes up or down. It's in the down position right now, so you can hang out on the back here, and just 3 little simple pins. Pull those out, the rail pops right up, and then you can ride back there while you're going down the lake. Climb up in here and take a look at the interior. Got the captain co-captain design with the swing back. This is the deluxe swing back also, where these 2 seats will pop up to give you a flat lounge, or these 2 seats in the middle will pop up to give you a rear facing seat. Of course, you can swing this 3 different directions, or it lays completely flat. New Vivid screen from Bennington. This one's got the Garmin upgrade. Looks like we've got the interior accent lights. Rockford Fosgate stereo. 15-person capacity. In-floor storage. Trash can, pop-up table. Little tray down there you can actually put the dog bowls in, wear it with or without. Nice big long forward benches. Have the USB ports right here by where you put your phone. Table spot up here in the front. Again folks, this is a 2027 Bennington 26 MSBA. Nice carbon fiber arch with the aft bimini. If you'd like more information on this boat, feel free to give us a call at 573-348-3888, or you can catch us on the web at www.kellysport.com. Happy shopping.